are here at Smith Show Horses, where we are demoing a yearling stud colt by a Streak of Fling out of a JL Dash to Heaven mare owned by Larry Markham and Nancy Wells. This is a very flashy colt that I've been super impressed with. He handles well for a yearling. He has a very elegant move to him. He's got a little spunk, but I really like this colt. Very clean-legged, got a nice kind eye, and has a really elegant look to him. We've already had him in the wash rack. He's had a bath this morning. He tolerated the fly spray. We've been out here lunging him and taking his pictures. He's been very easy to work with. We'll let you pick up his feet. Overall, this is a very nice horse that should go in a performance home and make a great barrel horse.